Hey everyone, in this session I'm going to be showing you how to create an events poster using Word. You can actually use this to create, like I said, an event poster like a flyer or anything like that. Or even if you want to use it for a school project, kind of put a little creative spin on it. So in this case, I have Word open, like shown, and I'm going to go to New. And because I had done one earlier, my flyer template is up closer to the top. If you want to create a flyer of yourself, for yourself, it might be closer to the bottom. So I'm going to select Event Flyer and create. And then here's just the basic template to work with. Obviously you can change the pictures, the colors, all that kind of stuff, but here's just a template that you can work with. I'm sure there's other templates available, but for this session I'm just going to use this. So to start off, just because 'tis the season, I'm going to create just like an example poster for a Halloween party. So what I'm going to start with is, just if you want to change the text, you can highlight like I've done here and just type over. And I'm probably going to go through and, change up the colors or whatever. But for now, considering that I want this to be a party poster, I'm going to put on the date like it said. And then my event title, I'm just going to say my name, so Megan. Oops. Megan's Scare Party, since that's all there's room for. And that's a good start right there. And because I want this to be Halloween, I'm probably not going to stick with the pink, but I'll come back to that later. So just given the amount of time I have to show you guys how to create this poster, I've already gone ahead and put in some filler text. So, it can be for whatever event you want to do, any sort of like information like a book or any information for your party, but because it's Halloween, I added all these different events right here and a description down here. Whenever you want to change the heading, all the fonts are already selected for you, but if you want to change that, you can highlight, which in this case, if you just click, it'll highlight for you. And you can type in whatever you want to put there. And then if you really want to change the font, if you decide that doesn't look too right or too good, you can highlight again, and you can either unbold it or rebold it. You can put it in italics. You can change the font size. You can change the font itself. But I actually like this kind of font, so I'm just going to stick with that for now. Now, because we have all the text taken care of, or at least where I want it to be, we're now going to focus on the pictures. So for this main one, obviously it's not going to fit the theme. So if you'd like, you can go to the picture and you right-click once. And if you scroll down to change picture, and then some of you, and I sometimes do this, you can find a picture ahead of time and actually save it to your file. So if you want to go through and browse for that particular picture, you can do that. Or if you want to be like me, I usually go through the Bing image search, which is like a clip art kind of deal. And so I can just type in Halloween. And I can find whatever picture I prefer. So say I like when it cooperates. Say I like this one. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to insert it. And voila, a picture. Now, as I've been saying before, I definitely want to change the colors because now it really doesn't fit the theme. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this line of the text, and it's going to bring up a box for me. And I'm going to go to the A that usually has a color underneath it. In this case it has white, but I don't want white. I'm going to scroll down, and I want orange. I'm going to select orange to match the pumpkins. Now in this case, for these two boxes, I'm going to have to click on this little white box in the corner, click that. It's going to select this column here. I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to the shading. It's like the same thing as the A, just this. And I'm going to select orange again. Select this orange. And now I've decided I really like this poster. And there, that's how you create a poster or an event flyer using Word.